Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use the mod function. What the mod function does is it does a modello operation, and basically what it does is after division it gives you the remainder. So if you see this Wikipedia definition here, what the operation does is it finds the remainder of division of one number by another. So there are two arguments in the mod function, the number and then the divisor. So this is any number that you want to divide by a certain number. So let's say, for example, we have our divisor is 3 and our number is numbers here. So what's useful about the mod function? Well, one of the uses that the mod function can do is out of a list where you would give a number assigned to that list in ascending order. Maybe you want the third item out of the list, every third item out of the list, or every fourth item out of the list, or every fifth item out of the list. You can actually do that with the mod function. So let's say that we have our list here, this list of items here in column J. And we have our helper column here where we put numbers down. So this is just ascending numbers. And what we would do in this column is use the mod function. So I would just type equal mod and then the number. I'm just going to reference this cell, and as I copy it down, it'll reference the next cell, which will be 2 and 3 and 4 and etc. And the divisor I'm going to use is 3. Let's use our example here, 3. And all I do is just Control Enter to stay within this particular cell, and I can just double click it to copy it down. Right? And so you notice that the divisor for each of the numbers is different for every 3. So when it gets from 1, 2, and 3, at 3 it's 0, right? Because 3 divided by 3, there's no remainder. 6 divided by 3 is 2 with no remainder. And what you can do now is you can filter out the zeros. So if I turn this column into a filterable column, or if I turn this table into one where I can filter, I can just select it and press Control-Shift-L. It'll turn on the filters here. So after I turned on the filtering, and let's say I just wanted to pick out every third number, all I need to do is select 0 because there's no remainder of any number divided by 3. So basically all the numbers that have a mod of 3 or a modulus of 0, excuse me, all the numbers that have a modulus of 0 are the ones that are every third number, right? So that's every third item here on the list. So that is one way that we can use the mod function. Let's say if we don't want the number 3, we want a different number. Well, I can just unselect that. Maybe we want every fourth or every fifth number. Control Enter to enter that, and then I'll just double click the fill handle to bring it down. So now every fifth number is 0, and you can filter on that and bring back every fifth item here. So that is the way that we can use the mod function to do some filtering, some specific filtering. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.